and we're really canvassing the situation here. And let me tell you, we're starting to get some clearing on the west side of New Jersey. As you can see, if you're in Clinton, you may notice not a lot of action going on there, but don't be surprised. There could be some blowing snow to have to contend with. We're going to give you a closer look at what's happening, but the snow is still falling across parts of New Jersey into the Hudson Valley, Nassau, Suffolk County, the city. That will continue on a little bit further. We do have some storm reports to report to you, but for now, let's send it over to our colleague driving along the New Jersey Turnpike, Andrew Bray, braving the elements. And as you can see, we got some blacktop here along the turnpike in New Jersey, and folks seem to be heeding the warnings, taking it nice and slow. Notice a brake light here or there. You definitely want to take it slow if you have to get out, and this is only if you have to. A quick note, by the way, if you happen to be driving, try to avoid those left and right lanes. That's where you really encounter a lot of problems. Your best bet is to follow the path. Those center lanes are key to getting you through this, and that's because it's less likely to have those snow-covered roads in this situation. And of course, you want to just be careful of the sand and salt trucks out there. Just want to give you a heads up there because it's not fun. We'll check in with Andrew Bray in just a little while, but let's take a look at what's going on because we do have some reports to talk about. Shirley, we got 10 inches, but this was at 7:30 this morning. There's been more added to that.